Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video, and I'm just starting some different some different topic that as a site engineer or as a civil engineer, we should know about some basic topic or basic point about civil engineering. Especially for a site engineer, it's very important to know about some basic point. So from that video I'm going to start about that. Within 4 video I'll try to finish that about basic point for a site engineer. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video that already I have uploaded. So let's start. So following are few general points to remember for civil site engineers to make the construction work easier while maintaining quality of construction. So first of all, lapping is not allowed for the bar having diameter more than 36 millimeter. Okay, so when the construction used bar is more than 36 millimeter, we can use lapping there. Also for that types of case we can join them by using welding, but we can use lapping. Chair spacing, maximum spacing is 1 meter or number 1 per meter square. So I think you all know that what is chair in construction. Sometimes we use a block to provide some clear spacing, or we use block to use to provide a spacing between two reinforcement. Upper bar for upper bar and down bar for in slab. But sometimes it is our construction work made very easy if we use chair, and that is available in ready-made, and also we can use or we can create that in construction site. So after that, for dual rod, minimum of 12 millimeter dia should be used. So what is dual rod? That video are available in our channel, and also about chair bar, this video are also available in our channel, so you can watch that. So chair minimum of 12 millimeter dia bar is to be used. Okay, so for chair bar, the 12 millimeter dia bar should be used. Then longitudinal reinforcement not less than 80%, 0.8% according to IS code, and 1% according to ACI code, and more than 60% of cross section of concrete cross section. Then minimum bar for a square column is 4 number and 6 number for circular column. So if we use a square column, the minimum bar will be 4, and for circular column the minimum longitudinal bar will be 6. Then free fall of concrete is allowed at maximum to 1.5 meter. Free fall of concrete is allowed maximum to 1.5 meter. Maximum from 1.5 meter distance we can throw our concrete at the time of casting. Then lapse leakage not be used for bar larger than 36 millimeter. Okay, for 36 millimeter bar we can use lapse leakage. Then water absorption of brick shouldn't be more than 15%. Okay, water absorption of a brick shouldn't be more than 15%. pH value of water shouldn't be less than 6%, which we'll use as water for our mixer. Compressive strength of concrete is 3.5 Newton per millimeter square. Compressive strength of brick is 3.5 Newton per millimeter square. 3.5 Pascal. Then main bar in the slab shall not be less than 8 millimeter for high yield strength deform bar, and 10 millimeter for plain bar. If we use plain bar, we have to provide minimum bar diameter is 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter bar, or if we use high yield less than different bar, then we can use 8 millimeter, but not less than we can use that. And the distribution not less than 8 millimeter and not more than 1/8 of slab thickness. Okay, I mean 1/8 of slab thickness. So in this part I'm going to finishing here, and thank you for watching. And if you think that was helpful for you, press the like button, and don't forget to share that video with your engineer friend, with your civil engineering friend. And don't forget to support our channel, School of Civil Engineering. So in next video I will come with second part. If you think that is required, you can comment me also below. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.